Hello everyone, Dr. Arthur Robotic here, and this is just gonna be a quick little unboxing video of the HORI Fight Pad Pro Arcade Real Arcade Pro 4, compatible with PS3 and PS4, and just a little thoughts on it. So let's just quickly get this box opened up. I've been waiting for this stick for a while. And let's just get this opened up and just see how this thing is. See. Oh. See. Oh. Ah. See. Ah, here we are. There we are. Let's get a look at this beauty, shall we? Let's see. So we got just a... Hang on. There we go. That's a little better. I think we can now just showcase these a little bit better. So here we see we got our standard arcade buttons and just a two extra, which would be a bit better for like multi-button assignments, like how I am with Guilty Gear when it comes to the instant kills, where I usually map it to the L2 button on a controller, but I think here I'll just map it to that and just save the Roman cancel button for that. But anyway, like, we got the options if you're playing this with like a PS4, because obviously those don't have the start button, but instead have the options button. Let's see, get a feel for the stick. Well, the stick seems good for the most part. And the buttons feel like arcade quality, because sometimes I play these fighting games at arcades and wherever I go places sometimes. And that's it. Let's see, right here's our door for the control panel. Let's see how long this cord is. Let's see, oh god. There we go. Oh. Let's see. Well, I'd say this is a decent length for the most part. It'd probably stretch at least from the length of the couch to my television. And let's see, let's just put it all back in there now. Get in there. Let's see. And let's see what we got right here. Let's see. Okay, those are the switch buttons, I presume. A share. I think these are the turbo, but... Oh, wait. Let's see, as we can see right here. These are like... I think this is the activation button. Turbo for obvious reasons, just auto fire and other crap. See, the L3 and R3 switches, a share button, which, oh yeah, there you go. Where did I put it? See, oh yeah, I think it's one of the other buttons on the PS4. Oh, and we got like little things for the knees, which are pretty cool, I guess. Let's see. So yeah, I'd say this, let's see, I'll probably test this out in a little bit, but I'd say this is a pretty good find. You got it's about $150 for what I paid for it. Oh, and there's a little touchpad. Forget about that, but that's just because, really, I don't really get the point of the touchpad for right now, but that's just because I've only been playing MKX so far. So that's my HORI fight pad unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please like, comment, or subscribe on the channel. Bye.